Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today on this video we're going to be doing a quick review and an unboxing video of the PALADONE PlayStation 4 icon lights. If you're a die-hard PlayStation fanboy, these lights are perfect for you. These PlayStation icon lights are currently $30 on Amazon. Now if you're someone who likes to host a lot of game nights, this is a great centerpiece for you to have. Your friends and family coming over will start to talk about this light when they see it. The illumination from the light provides a colorful yet soft glow. Now I just took everything out of the box and this is what you get. The icons will come wrapped in plastic. Also there will be instructions and a USB cable to plug it into a wall outlet. And my absolute favorite thing about this light is the ability to put in 3 AAA batteries and not have it plugged into the wall, and you can literally take this light anywhere with you. The icon colors match up to the colors on your DualShock 4. And the first thing you'll notice when you're picking up this product is it's not very heavy, it's very light. And with it being a little bit lighter, I like to set it off to the side of my computer on top of my desk. At night when I'm streaming, I like to have this light off to the side illuminated. Rotating the light over, you can see the back is black, and here's the bottom. And on one of the sides here, there is a button where you can press it in, and it will change the light modes. I enjoy the simplistic yet recognizable design of this product. When I walk into a room, the icon lights are immediately recognizable. And here is the USB cable that it comes with. This will be a micro USB cable similar to the one that comes with your PlayStation 4 controller, or maybe one of your older Android phones. Now the cable that comes with it isn't very long, so you're going to need to keep that closer to an outlet than you probably want. I haven't measured it, however I believe it's around 3 feet long. And flipping over the icon lights and on the back is where you go ahead and plug in your USB cable. The end that plugs into the actual PlayStation icon lights is a micro USB end. This is a great option if you're going to be using this light a lot. However, I love using the AAA batteries to illuminate this light. And depending on what light mode you have on, this light will last much longer on battery life. So there is 3 different light modes that come with this light. The first mode is a standard mode where all the lights are illuminated. The next mode is a special effects mode where a light is randomly illuminated. That's the one that's currently on right now. As you can see, it's random. And then the third and final mode is the color phasing mode, where the light will go through each icon slowly. So this mode I believe will save you the most battery life if you're going to be on battery mode. So if you're a PlayStation fanboy and you want a light with the icons, this one provides you a soft colorful glow in which you can go ahead and put it in a background or by your computer desk. It's great for starting a conversation with friends and it's a standout piece. Now I do feel like asking $30 for this product is a little bit much. I would say maybe $19.99 would be perfect. If you want to know more about the PlayStation icon lights, go ahead and check the description down below and check out some of the other videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.